Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Tuesday 28 November 2023, I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound and short the CAD, the US dollar and the euro. The first pick of the day is a potential long on the pound US, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The pound US, after this big strong break, is starting its retracement. Pound much stronger than the USD in general. So I'm waiting for the retest of this recent high. I'll look for some bullish pattern reversals. And then the S&P 500, I'm still on my stock market bullish bandwagon with a weak dollar here. I'm still waiting for it to come back. I'm glad that I waited for the retracement because nothing happened up there. We will have to wait patiently to get some longs. Hopefully here at the 61% FIB at this market structure. In the US Swiss, we got the short. I trailed yesterday on the live stream. The stop to entry now, so now we can't lose money, but it's just very slowly coming down the page. I'm still interested in this area. I'm still willing to add to the short there, providing the US stays well weaker than the Swiss franc. New Zealand US, we still got this open trade. We went long here, the first target, and yesterday we hit our second target. So that first trade is now formally closed in my books, but we added to the trade here. I still have the one position open here, which is my target is 61.19. You can always come and have a look at the live stream, guys. You can check it out. Whatever I do, I make note there. You can see the open trades. So you can easily copy those trades if you are interested. If it comes back, I will get interested in buying again, but for now my stop is just below this low. Well in the money on the second trade. First trade closed at all the profits. That was a 1 to 3.5 risk reward of 1 to 3.5. So that was beautiful. So I'm just holding on tight with this one. I still believe we're going to see that up there. New Zealand still got all the sparkle we need for a nice bull run, and it's looking strong. Aussie yen. Nice triangle forming. Okay, let's first look at the retracement. Last directional swing here. Fibonacci retracement, 61% FIB, right at this market structure here. So that will be the first level I'm watching. Second level, see it's busy making a triangle, and the break above there, the retest, and then the reversal. There's something I will be really interested because Aussie is being strong, yen is being weak, so I would really like to get some longs, either on the retracement. I would prefer the breakout in this instance because that gives us a little bit of momentum behind the trade. But nonetheless, I will wait patiently for one of these two levels to be hit. And the New Zealand yen also consolidating. Basically, I can call this also a triangle there. And the breakout there, the New Zealand and Aussie does the same thing, guys, mostly. So I would like to see the break, the retest, and then the bounce, or the retest at the 61% FIB at this market structure for some longs. And the Dow Jones also still on my stock market bullish bandwagon. Weak dollar, waiting for the retracement. I will not buy unless I get levels around this area. Pound yen. Pound much stronger than the yen, so we're starting to see a retracement in smaller size of swings. Fibonacci swing here, 61% FIB market structure here. So if I'm lucky enough that the pound will retrace back down here, then I will look for some longs. Otherwise, I will leave it alone. We're starting to see a consolidation. You can see there. So that would also get me interested in that breakout scenario. So I won't say it's a perfect flag, but we are seeing the characteristics of a flag and the consolidation. So either the retracement here or then the breakout and the retest. And the Aussie CAD, strong level coming in here. Aussie CAD, so definitely want to be long here. And I will see what happens here. It seems like the CAD is gaining in strength over the last day or so. So I will see by the time it gets down here. I will easily step back from this trade if I see this come back in a fast fashion or in a big way. But if I get some solid reversals here, I'll then take that long. In the Nasdaq also, we had the break yesterday and I said I wanted to wait for the retest. Again at Fibonacci, 61% of this last swing at market structure. That's the levels. I'm waiting for the US markets to come back to those levels. I'm not going to chase into them until I get to my levels. You can clearly see the dollar is weak, that's stock market bullish, but we do not see the corresponding moves. Technically, I can't see the moves happening. So I'm going to wait for the retest. And if I'm lucky enough and I get some bullish reversals here, I'll then take the long. In the Aussie US, nice swing up the page, very strong. Retracement back to this market structure here will get me interested. You see the Aussie US, still the strongest currency against the weakest currency. So I'm having this on my watch list for a while now. So on the retracement, I'll see how the market responds here at the 50 to 61%. And then I'll take some longs from there. More specific, that level there. In the Euro Pound, a little bit of a sideways nature. The Euro Pound is mostly like that. But if it retraces back into this resistance level, this market structure here, 61% FIP, and the Euro stays weaker than the Pound, I'm going to look for some short setups, but I will be cautious. In the Aussie Swiss, retracement back to this market structure will get me interested. Another chance of getting long on the Aussie and short the Swiss. I'm more focused on getting long on the Aussie than shorting the Swiss, but this is an option of getting long on the Aussie. So on a retest here, I might get interested. Highly doubt if that's going to happen today. In the Euro Swiss turning bearish, and the Euro Swiss are below. They are flicking up and down there, but I'm going to leave this on my watch list. I like the strong support level, so I would like to see a nice break below the retest and then a reversal there to see if I can get some legs down the page. But other than that, I will stay out of it until it gets below this level. You know, the relative strength are not that powerful at this stage, but I'm going to keep an eye there. I will not trade unless that is fine. But for now, I just love this level. Technically, this just looks great, like a top reversal. And I'm not saying it will reverse. All I'm saying is if it breaks down, I'll trade the retest. In the Pound Canadian dollar, falling trend line there, so it's resistance, a little bit of support and support again. So when it comes back down here on this rising trend line, maybe later, I would be interested as long as the pound stays stronger than the CAD. CAD seems to be gaining a little bit, so I will keep my eyes open for that one. But if it gets back down here, I'll see how the market responds, and any bullish candle pattern reversals, I'll then take some longs. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on gold. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now, gold has been battling to get through the $2,000, $2010 levels. We've seen resistance, 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 and finally it broke there on Sunday night, Monday morning, retest successfully and bounced. So I like this level here on a very weak dollar. That is definitely gold bullish. So when it comes back down to the support level here, I will definitely get interested in buying. As long as we can stay above the $2,000 levels, I think we are fine taking some longs. But for now, I'll wait patiently for the retracement. If it gets back down there and I get some bullish action, I will then take some longs on the gold. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.